Number 4 is official Creality 3D printer. If you're an architect, you know precision and efficiency are vital in bringing your designs to life. And that's where the official Creality 3D printer comes in. With its high-speed printing capability of up to 250 millimeters per second, you can cut printing time by 75%, which means you can focus on perfecting your designs and making them come to life faster than ever. But speed isn't the only thing this printer has going for it. The Clog-free direct extrusion system ensures that your prints are always of the highest quality, thanks to the powerful dual-gear extruder and titanium heartbreak. And with its stable all-metal cube frame, your prints will always look sharp and precise. The automatic bed leveling and filament runout sensor make this printer incredibly easy to use. And when it's time to remove your prints, the sticky and bendable PC build surface makes it a breeze. Overall, the official Creality 3D printer is the perfect tool for architects who want to bring their designs to life quickly and accurately. If you are interested in the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box and purchase it.